Hi, this is Team Grow. I'm Shek and this is Sile, and we're coming to you live from our garage since we're neighbors. So, over the past week, we've been working on a productivity app called Grow.
So what Grow is it's basically a platform for you and your plant to grow. So basically, we have a physical, real-life plant that we've enclosed in this little container, and so the plant is only going to automatically water itself with the Raspberry Pi connected motor if you have enough tokens, or as we like to call them, drops. And the way you earn drops is you complete focus activities in our app. So basically, what a focus activity is a timer that you'll have to start running, and then during that whole time, you'll have to stay within our app so that you're not distracted by like the internet or social media or whatever, and you can actually focus on doing stuff like reading books or like practicing your instrument or studying or whatever it is you want to get done. And once you finish that focus activity, you'll get 10 tokens per 30 minutes you finish. And then every morning, if you have 10 tokens, the plant will water itself.
We don't have any email or password, we just have two simple fields, name and plant code. So, we'll start off with our name, and we'll start off with the plant code that's supposed to ship with our Pi. For now, we'll use test plant. And we can enter our application.
So now we see the home screen after it's logged us in, and we see that we currently have 0 drops. So if we were to continue and not do anything today, our plant would not get watered tomorrow. And we see these focus activities, which tell us we can focus for various amounts of time. For the sake of a demo, we've added a 5-second focus activity that gives you 10 tokens. Normally, you'd need to do 30 minutes to get 10 tokens, but we can click on that now, and we'll see this little timer come up. And basically, while this timer is playing, you'll need to stay within the app for the timer to complete. And once you finish, you'll get a little celebration animation, and that will tell you that you have, as we can see here, earned your tokens. So now you have earned 10 tokens for our demo 5-second focus activity. And hopefully, in the morning, the plant will water itself. So here we are, we've now switched over to our actual physical plant in the little enclosure we've made, and you can see that the plant is surrounded by this plastic container so that the user can't actually manually water it themselves, but there are these little plastic drilled holes inside the container so that the plant can still get oxygen. And then looking further, we see that there's a box with a Raspberry Pi connected on the right. And then on the left-hand side, we've connected the Pi to a water pump, which is submerged in water. And what basically happens is the Pi runs a job every morning, which we call the water job, that just checks our Firebase server. And if there's enough tokens for the plant with the ID of the Pi, it will water the plant. And so for the sake of a demo, we're just going to run that water job manually so that instead of running it in the morning, we're just running it right now to check Firebase. So as you can see, we've already added 10 tokens to the plant, and now we're going to run the job to see the plant water itself. So we should see it water itself in a second here. And there it goes. It's going to just sprinkle some water down for about 2 or 3 seconds. And if we go back to the app actually now, we'll see that there are 0 tokens. So the user will now need to work again to keep the plant watered and to keep it healthy and growing.